Well, there's a new crackdown, a new effort to crack down on gangs in Suffolk County. The district attorney announced today a team of lawyers and officers focused solely on prosecuting gang members.
And anyone who turns in a gang member could now get a $5,000 reward. Long Island reporter Kristen Thorne tweeting out the details on this, and she's live in Hopog with more. Kristen.
Well, Dave and Liz, this is the first major policy announcement by the new Suffolk County DA, basically saying that he essentially wants to establish an entire gang unit within his office. They will have the task of solely prosecuting suspected gang members. And yes, he's also establishing a tip line with Suffolk County Crime Stoppers, whereby anyone who calls in an anonymous tip which leads to the arrest of a gang member could receive up to $5,000 in cash.
If you don't like the inside of a cell, think about another way of life. Because law enforcement, from local police departments to the federal government, and every member of the public is coming for you.
New Suffolk County District Attorney Timothy Sini is taking the fight against violent street gangs to a whole new level, not only establishing a gang member tip hotline, but also creating an entire gang unit within the DA's office.
Every case will be screened, and if it's determined to be gang related or an arrest of a gang member, it will be sent to the gang unit for prosecution.
The unit will have a full-time supervisor, 8 full-time assistant district attorneys, at least one of whom will speak Spanish, and 6 detective investigators.
They will become experts on gang prosecutions. They will become experts on the gangs operating in Suffolk County, on the way they operate, and on specific members here in Suffolk County.
The unit will bring together in bi-weekly meetings representatives from every police department in Suffolk County, as well as state and federal authorities. There for the announcement today, Evelyn Rodriguez, her daughter Kayla Cuevas, was murdered by MS-13 gang members. Because the gang unit will require the creation of several new salaried positions, as you heard me mention, the DA says the unit will also have the task of reaching out to state and federal authorities to try to get some grant money in order to keep the unit going.